Boss, pa-help sana. Paano naman po if introvert yung nililigawan ko at ayaw niya na nalalaman sa office yung tungkol sa amin? Ayaw niya din na nag-flex sa SOCMED at ako naman si kabaliktaran niya. Nag-text na din sa akin, mas maganda na i-stop ko na. Sad face. Well, just like what the comedian Adam Carolla said, if the woman likes you, she will open the door for you. And all you gotta do is just walk right in. But if the woman doesn't like you, she will slam the door in your face and all you gotta do is just walk away. In other words, Cigarillo is her attraction level for you isn't high enough to begin with. Most probably siguro nasa 4 out of 10 ka lang. And pag ganun kababa ang attraction level sa'yo ni babae, it's best for you to move on na lang, Cigarillo. Kasi kung gusto ko talaga ng babae, no? Kahit introverted pa yan, makikipag-date pa din yan sa'yo. And she will still give you a shot at having a relationship with her. Introverted ako kaya ayaw ko muna magka-jowa. Lalo na dito sa office kasi marami makakaalam. Ibig sabihin niyan, Cigarillo, is she's not just that attracted to you in the first place. Parehas lang yan sa excuse na I'm just not ready for a relationship yet. Or katulad nung sinabi ko dito sa channel before, yung rason ng babae ng niligawan ko before, kaya niya daw ako ni-reject is focus daw muna siya sa kanyang studies. And guess what? The very next year, nakita ko na may jowa na pala siya. Naka-HHWW pa yung mga hunghang. At saka may mga kakilala ako sa office ko dati na pinapasukan introvert nga sila, pero may jowa sila. Katim pa niya. So it just goes to show na even introverted people are able to have a relationship regardless if it's in the office or not. Also, 'di ba, sinabihan kanina na stop, 'di ba? Then you should respect that. Sabihin mo na lang sa kanya na, "Alright, cool, that's fine with me. But if you change your mind, give me a call." Yun lang. And go 100% no contact on her. Kung ka-workmate mo naman siya and you really need to talk to her just to get the job done, then you just have to be professional about it. Get what you need done from her and then end the conversation na. You go ahead and get back to your own work. Pero syempre, take note na don't be butthurt about this. Stay in your center, Cigarillo. Do not let women affect you. Remain indifferent from her rejection. Huwag mong papahalataan na apektado ka sa kanya. Guys, tandaan nyo huwag dapat tayo magpapa-apekto sa mga babae kahit ano pa man ang gawin nila sa atin. Bakit? Kasi mga lalaki tayo. Kaya huwag kang mag-alala, tol. Ang dami pang babae dyan, Cigarillo. Always remember that there's always a buzz every 15 minutes. Hope nakatulong ako sa iyo. Follow for more and subscribe na rin kayo sa YT channel ko. Link in my bio.